watched my last video, thank you. If you subscribed, thank you. If you liked it, thank you. Out here again in Williamsburg, Virginia. Well, not again. Well, I guess I can say again, because the first time I came out here, I was way unprepared. Came out here, yeah, during the summer, and it was bad. It was bad. I had to wrap myself like a burrito with my mosquito net to keep the ticks off of me. But I'm here to conquer this land now. It's cold out here, snow on the ground, and I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Woo! I got the tarp set up. This is where I'm gonna be sleeping tonight. Nice and cozy. Had to put 3 lines going to one tree. Little baby tree. That thing is dead. But it's okay. I just want to make a little fire. See if I can get a little heat right here. Right here. Get a little bit of heat. Yep. And let's go get some firewood. I'm gonna get this fire started. What I got here is my ferro rod, and this is dryer lint soaked in hand sanitizer because the hand sanitizer expired. So, little quick tip to get your fire started quick. Also, what I'm gonna do is add some Gorilla Tape to the fire because it burns for a little while. Everything around here is wet. I want to get this fire started and start cooking. I'm hungry. Now, since I got a fire started, I'm gonna cook dinner. I brought chicken with me. I'm starting to question if I was a good idea out here. But, hey, I'm gonna do it. It's supposed to be a snowstorm tonight. There was a whole bunch of notifications and signs on the way here. Well, let's get to it. I don't know if you can see, but I'm cooking on a stove today. Let's get this party started. It's just gonna be a mess again. Onion. I bought this. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully it tastes good, because I forgot all my stuff at home, my seasonings. Got a little bit of chili pepper, it says. Just put a whole bunch of that. Throw the onions in there and let the chicken and onions cook together. Easy day. Keep mixing it because I don't want all that seasoning to stick to one chicken. It's looking good. This is how it turned out. Chicken onions. I love onions. I was gonna make chicken noodles, chicken onions, but I'm good with this. I saw a white light over there walking in my direction. And then the light turned off. So now, I'm wondering who was that? Got a fire going. I just got done eating my meal. Just thinking about packing it up. Head back to the car and sleep in there. But no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stay here. Probably write in the journal or relax a little bit. Pack it up tomorrow. The car is too far. It is what it is. Just want to let you know how it's going. Laying down, watching the fire. It's pretty nice out here. Honestly, I'm real comfortable. I don't even know if I want to get up, set up the GoPro for a time lapse. I saw that light again. It went away. I have my things packed up in case I need to hightail it out of here. Except for obviously the tarp, sleeping pad, and all that good stuff, but it's enough. Just relaxing. It's not too cold. I haven't taken off my boots yet. I'm just relaxing. Fire's doing a great job of keeping me warm. Yep. It's my first time sleeping with just a tarp and sleeping pad. It is a different experience. Next time I'll come with a tent, so I could let you know how both of the experiences are. Yep, that's it. I'm extremely comfortable. It's a good night. I still have to set up the GoPro for a time lapse. Give you guys a nice view. I would do a time lapse of the fire, but it's gonna die down. It's not gonna last all night. But this is very nice. Very cozy. Can't wait until tomorrow morning. Write some notes in my journal. It's a good night. Good morning. It's a snowy day. Oh, excuse me. But it was a beautiful night. It's kind of rough, but I was warm. I felt good. Well, I'm gonna start packing it up. I want to get me some coffee. I can easily make some coffee on my pot, but I think I'm just gonna pack it up. Felt good to be out here. Thank you. Looks like the fire's still burning. Gonna have to cover that with some snow. Still got some smoke coming from there. Whew. Ooh, I'm almost there. Alright. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I need to start waking up earlier so I could get some more shots for you guys because, you know, I work nights and sleeping schedule is kind of screwed up. So waking up in the morning is hard, but I'm going to start waking up earlier so I could get better shots. If this video wasn't too long, I'm sorry. If it was too short, but hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.